Is this what your printouts are looking like lately? Faded text, streaks, and missing colors? In this video, we'll show you simple steps to fix poor print quality and get your printer back to delivering crisp, clear results. Find the menu button on your printer. Find the maintenance option and press OK. Then when the prompt Improve Quality appears, press OK. Next, when you see Check Quality, press OK. Then insert a sheet of paper into your Brother printer and press Start to begin printing the print quality check sheet. Once the printer has printed the quality check sheet, check the quality of the 4 color blocks on the sheet. The printer will ask if the print quality is OK for black and the 3 colors. Depending on your printout, press Yes or No. The printer will then ask you if you want to start cleaning. Press OK and the machine will start cleaning the print head. After the cleaning procedure is finished, the printer will prompt Check Nozzles. Press OK. The machine will print the print quality check sheet again. Should you still see any more missing blocks, repeat the process again. Other than that, the print quality check sheet should be free from any missing blocks. When your printer asks if your quality is OK, press the up arrow button for Yes and stop and exit the process. Your printer should now be free from any lines and faded colors and deliver the crisp and clear results as promised.